Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another CVS Get Ready With Me video. So these are for the deals January 26th to February 1st. So it's going to be a really good week at CVS. There's a lot of great deals. Now this is not everything I plan on doing for the week for CVS. So make sure you check out for more videos during the week. Now I won't be doing the in-store live video because I have to go to a birthday party today. But I'm definitely going to bring you guys my haul. So hopefully this Get Ready With Me video helps you guys out if you have certain CRTs. Now, I did check my CRTs and I got a lot of really good CRTs. And there are some deals that I plan on doing, but I'm not too sure yet because I have to check the pricing at the store. So as you guys saw, I did put a video out on what I'm going to use my $10 Care Pass on. So if you didn't check out that video, definitely check it out. And I'm going to stock up on some paper products with that $10 Care Pass. Now, for my P&G deal is spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks. So I'm going to pick up 4 of the Herbal Essence Buy Renew. They're on sale 2 for $12. So I'm going to pick up 4 of them for $24. I'm going to buy 1 of the Tide Liquid for $5.94, making the total before coupons $29.94. I'm going to use 2 of the 5 off of 2 coupons for Herbal Essence in our February P&G. I'm going to use 1 of the $2 off 1 Tide Liquid from pgeveryday.com. I'm going to use a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, as well as a 225 off 10 hair care CRT. Now, I can use both of those together because I needed to spend $22 in hair care to use both of those CRTs, and I'm spending $24 in total. So the total works out to, after all coupons, $12.69, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So it works out to $2.69 for all 5 products, or 53 cents each. Now the next deal is going to be on the Gillette Fusion. They're going to be on a great promotion for buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. So all the Gillette and all the Venus razors are buy 2, get 8. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these for $9.99 each, making them $19.98. I'm going to use 2 of the $4 off 1 coupons that came out in our February P&G. I have a 5 off of 20 razor CRT, making the total $6.98, but you're going to get back an $8 extra buck. So it works out to be free plus a $102 moneymaker. Now, these are all the coupons I'm using for my P&G deal. And here goes that 5 off of 20 and the $4 off Gillette razors. Now, the next deal is going to be on Dove. So certain Dove products are going to be on a promotion for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. And they're also going to be buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I'm going to pick up 1 of the Dove body washes for $8.99. And that's going to be the 22-ounce bottles. Then I'm going to pick 1 up half off for $4.49. I'm going to pick up 1 of the Dove Advanced Care deodorants for $6.99. And 1 of them for half off at $3.49. So the total before coupons is going to be $23.96. We only needed to spend $15, but if I only would have added 2 of the body washes and 1 of the deodorants, it would have came out pretty much to the same price. So I decided to add another deodorant at half off. So I'm going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 body wash coupons that came out in our 126 RMN. And I'm going to use 2 of the 150 off deodorant from the 126 RMN. I have a 2 off of 8 body wash CRT, as well as a 250 off Dove body wash CRT, a $3 off Dove body wash CRT, and the $2 off Dove body wash instant coupon that printed out for all of us last week. So after all the coupons, the total works out to $9.46, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $4.46 for all 4 of them, or $1.11 each. So here goes all the coupons. 2 off of 8 body wash, $2.50 off Dove or Dove Men body wash, $3 off Dove or Dove Men body wash, the $2 instant coupon from last week. There goes the $1.50 off for the deodorant and the $1 off for the Dove body wash. And remember, guys, these Unilever coupons are a limit of 2. Now, on Fetch rewards. There's a lot of great Fetch rewards for Unilever products. So make sure you check Fetch. I believe Dove Body Wash is on there as well as the deodorant. So there's a lot of great Fetch rewards that we'll be getting back this week because there's a lot of Unilever products on there. So make sure you download Fetch if you don't have the app. I have all the information in the description box. Next deal is going to be on Axe Body Wash. They're going to be on a promotion for buy two, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $9. You're going to use a 3 off of 2 Axe CRT, as well as 2 150 off 1 coupons from our 126 RMN. So the total works out to $3, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to $1 for both of them, or 50 cents each. Now here goes the coupons for the Axe. There goes that 3 off of 2. And there goes the 150 off 1 coupon. And these coupons are a limit of 2. So all Unilever coupons are a limit of 2. Now the next deal is going to be on Dove Hair Care. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. And they're on sale 2 for $8. I'm going to use the 3 off of 2 coupon that came out in our 126 RMN, making the total $5, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So that works out to be $3 for both of them, or $1.50 each. Now that seems a little pricey, but I do have a 4 off of 18 that I'm going to pair up with the L'Oreal Hair Care deal. So L'Oreal Hair Care this week is going to be buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. I'm going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 119 RMN, making a total $5.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Now, I'm going to combine the Dove and the L'Oreal because I have that 4 off of 18 Hair Care CRT. So the total before coupons for the Dove and L'Oreal is going to be $17.98. The total after coupons is going to be $10.98. I'm going to use that 4 off of 18 Hair Care CRT, making the total $6.98, but you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks for the L'Oreal deal and $2 in extra bucks for the Dove Hair Care deal. So that works out to be free after extra bucks. Now the next deal is going to be on the Crest 3D White Mouthwash. So they're going to be on a promotion for buy 1, get a $3 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 2 times. So they're going to be on sale for $4.99. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $9.98. I'm going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons from our February P&G. And I'm going to use 2 of $3 off teeth whitening treatment CRTs. So I got 2 of them this week in the app, so I was super excited about that. I also got a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. So after all the coupons, my total would be 0 out of pocket, but I get back $6 in extra bucks because I did the deal twice. So it works out to be free plus a $6 moneymaker. So if you have 2 $3 off for the treatments, definitely use it for this deal, and a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. Hopefully all these CRTs do work at the register. Now the last deal I'm going to do is going to be on the Crest 3D White Brilliance toothpaste. So this is something that I've never couponed before, so I'm super excited about picking this up. So these are 2 per household as well. So they're on a promotion for buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and they're on sale for $6.99. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them for $13.98. I'm going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our February P&G and a 3 off of 12 Oral Care CRT. So the total works out to $4.98, but you're going to get back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of them. So it works out to 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. So that's a really good deal, especially for a new product that I've never couponed before. So really good deal. And it's actually going to be free because these came out to be free plus a $6 moneymaker. So these will be free after basically combining both of the deals. So really good deal on oral care deals this week. Now here goes the coupons for everything. There goes the 2 off of 6 body wash, the $3 off teeth whitening kit or treatment CRT, both of them there, and the $1 off coupon for the Crest 3D white. Now for the toothpaste is right here, 3 off of 12 toothpaste, mouthwash, or toothbrush CRT, and the $3 off from our February P&G. Now there is a great deal on the leave this week for spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So I might be doing this deal. I'm not too sure yet. But I do have a 3 off of 12 pain relief CRT. And then we got these great $4 off 1 coupons from our Smart Source that came out this week. So this is a week only that you can use it. So I might be doing the deal for a leave. I'm not too sure yet. I just want to see how much it comes out to because I'm not too sure of the prices at the store. And also, if you guys checked out what I'm going to use my Care Pass on, I'm using the 5 off of 25 for Cleanest, Scott, or Cottonelle products. And then I'm using 4 of the 50-cent off coupons. So 2 of them will be for paper products. And 2 of them will be for paper towels, and 2 of them will be for toilet paper. So that is everything I plan on doing. Again, this week I will be going in store and showing you a couple of deals. Hopefully I get a 10 off of 50 so I can show you that separately. Also try to do a makeup deal for you guys. And I didn't forget about the newbies, so there will be a newbie friendly breakdown during the week as well. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. And I will see you guys in my haul video tomorrow. So I'm definitely going to CVS, but I don't have time for the in-store. But I will be bringing you guys my haul video. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.